Just for now, just for now.
I'ma step into my wrist on burn. Like this your city girl, but it's my world. I ain't cop pearls. They ask me how you been, tell them not my girl. I'ma step into my wrist.
Welcome back, it's your boy Dukes, and this week I will be showing you a week in the life as a successful day trader and entrepreneur. Before we start, I want to give a huge thank you for the love and support on my last video where I showed you my morning routine, and I hope you enjoyed this one just as much. Enjoy the video and let me know what you want to see.
South Beach with my soldiers. I'm steady frying on air. Cop a crib in Miami, Everett. Puff and exhale. Dream body says well. Soon we gon' set sail.
Alright boys, we just got to the restaurant, a nice Italian restaurant. I wanted to go here because I wanted to try places that I've never been to before. It's kind of a rare thing to me to go like to not to Chipotle, which is where I go to like 3 to 4 times a week. Kind of unhealthy, but hey, whatever. Sit tight, Mercedes, sit tight. Alright boys, we just landed at the restaurant. I just got myself some Caprice. Here with my boys, here's Jordan, here's my boy Chris. It's my ride or die right here. But yeah, looking at the menu, we did look at some garlic parm, but I do want to shout out CRV. They have the CRV special, the chicken tenders, but I'm probably gonna get some chicken parm. So I'm gonna grab this and I'll see you guys later. Oh my God. Holy. Oh my God. We're already off to a good start. That is the best garlic bread I've ever had. Is that the best garlic bread you've ever had? Yeah? Yeah? Best garlic? Yeah. So I was just eating our appetizers and I got an alert that Tesla is up 14 bucks. If you're in my Discord, you know we are in Tesla calls. So basically, we're gonna be rich once again. Oh my God. We are done. We are out. God, she looks sexy right now. It is 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, midnight on a Sunday. And guess what I'm doing? Back testing, looking at the charts for the week to come, setting my pre-market game plan in my Inner Circle Discord. This is what it really takes. This is what it really takes. Late nights, early mornings, hard work to be where you want to be. I really put in the work and I really wanted this. People think you can just get up and trade and you're gonna be successful. It's gonna catch up to you. It's not gonna be that easy. It's not. I'll see you guys in the morning when I start live trading in my Inner Circle. What's up guys, it's the next morning. It's about 10:15 a.m. right now. We are banking. We absolutely crushed it this morning. I made personally $3,000 off of market open. Chat, how much did you make this morning from our arm swing? Green, a million. Let's check profits actually. Okay, he made 88, 111%, 263, 170, 317, 750, 180, 643, 685. Bro, off of an alert I gave literally last week. This is absolutely crazy. We're banking. We're gonna be banking all week. But yeah, I'm looking for a trade here on SPY and we'll see what happens.
You know you're sweet, come like art, some art that can't be drawn.
What's up guys? So it is now 10:52. I just got done live trading with my Inner Circle. We took a loss. And guess what? I'm not afraid to say it. The thing is, I'm still up about $3,000 on the day because I already won a trade before. I just lost a small trade. I lost about like $100, $200. It's okay because I'm gonna wait until the PM session and I'm fine because I'm still up $3,000. Not to mention up freaking 1,258 on the funded account. This is the real of trading. It's all about your risk management and psychology. It's all about your mindset. It's all about not being greedy. I can be like, oh my God, I lost $100, $200. I need to make that back. I need to make that back. No, you don't. Just chill. You're still up for the day. Never let your green day go red. Simple as that.
I don't go out too much, so when I do, I pop my shit. I know you can't. W from HME like Smith.
I could easily sit here and be mad, but how could you really be mad looking at this? It's pretty impossible. I'm gonna have a good day. Just went out to get some lunch and just caught this quick 100% gainer. Absolutely printing. I went low risk on this, but absolutely printed with the PM session. I told you, stay patient, didn't overtrade this AM session. Lost one, now I made it all back. Now I'm up about 3,500 on the day. So I'm done for the day, and yeah, now I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day. Oh my God. All right, time for Publix. Well, time to drop $350 on groceries. Here we go. I only spent $64 actually today at the grocery store, but I didn't grab everything I needed for the week because probably gonna eat out a lot this week. I can feel it, but hey, at least I'm not spending $300 on groceries. Excuse me? A couple dollars for food, I got you. Yeah, God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Chat, did I just get scammed? No, I'm playing. I try to help out anyone I can, but you know, it's unfortunate. Some people look like they get drugs with it or, you know, but I can't judge a book by its cover, so because I had a great day in trading today, I could give her at least a little bit for her to eat. But yeah, it's all about good karma. But yeah, I had an amazing day of trading today. Took 2 W's, 1 loss, made about 4,000 around there. And again, like, I'm not gonna go into the market tomorrow acting like I'm gonna make 4,000 again. I'm not gonna go in the market tomorrow acting like I have to win. I'm gonna stay patient, know that there's some news coming around. You know, we have FOMC, we have all that stuff coming in this week, a bunch of red folders, we got some earnings. And so yeah, well, I'm gonna stay patient, trust in my setup. We had an absolutely perfect 3C setup today, played out to about 100%. I mean, my strategy is so good that my entry point was literally the bottom tick of a pump. My exit point from my strategy was literally the top tick. It's insane how good my strategy is, and I'm glad I can share it with others. So it's the next day, it's about 10:21 a.m. My Wi-Fi has been out since about 8:37 a.m. I just got on live stream. The first 2 minutes of the live stream, I saw that we were having a good trend day and a good 3 Cs down here. So I was like, okay, it's definitely gonna hit this key level of liquidity up here, which was a end of this bearish gap. So I was like, all right, chat, if we get a pullback, which we got right here, I'm gonna enter and we're gonna catch 35% right there. And guess what we did? We caught 35% right there, and it took 2 minutes, and now I just made $800 in 2 minutes. I can show you. Up 800. Chat, spam those W's for YouTube. Did we make money today? And we're still not done yet. Talk to him, chat. Talk to YouTube. And let's go, baby. And that's how you start off your morning. Up $800 on the day, and it is 10:21. Let's get it. All right, guys, it is now 10:52 a.m. Today's Tuesday. Had CPI news today. We came out very bullish out of the market, and I just got done with AM session with my inner circle. Obviously, caught that one trade. I'm up about $800 now. It is only 10:52 a.m. I'm up $800 on the day. I realistically can do whatever I want for the rest of the day because I already made $800 today. I'm gonna trade PM session, and I'm gonna look for a swing alert. So a swing trade. I'm still under the weather, not feeling great, but we're still making money, baby. So obviously I take all my trades in my inner circle. Here are the profits from this morning. $500 right there, $415 right there. Mind you, this took 2 minutes today. 114 right there. Literally a 2-minute trade. Jack says 97 bucks, 165 bucks right there. Tagged me. Sniper, $102 right there. 89 bucks, 78, 86. I mean, the profits go on and on and on. 141. This guy made $12,000 in the last 2 days on his funded account. I mean, come on, dude. Come on. This is just what we do in the Discord every single day. It is now 1:56 p.m. We took a small loss in the PM session. The good thing is I kept my risk management good. I only lost a couple $100. I still made profit this morning. I'm still up on the day. And I'm gonna look for a swing trade, obviously, and then we'll go from there. Again, the most important thing is you can't have your losses be bigger than your wins. That's literally all of trading. You need to be profitable by your wins being bigger than your losses. Simple as that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get off the charts, I'm gonna look for a swing trade, and then I'm gonna alert it to my inner circle. We're gonna bank off that all week. We're gonna hold it all week, and we're gonna see what happens. The biggest lesson I want you to learn from taking a small loss in my PM session and winning one in the AM session, it's all about your risk management. Keep your risk management in check. You will be profitable. It is that easy. All right, fellas. I just entered the SPY swing call. I placed it to
Apple CarPlay is active.
God.
You can use.
I placed the swing trade to expire by the end of the week on Friday. As you can see right here, I'm about 8 contracts in, not too much. Just waiting to see the pump, and I think my daily bias and my weekly bias is good for this trade, so I sent it out to my inner circle Discord. We're gonna let this run for the rest of the week, and I'll update you by the end of the week. Up 2% right now. Let's get it. Guess who decided to join me at my apartment? Oh my God, the biggest guest I've had at my apartment. She is the best trader I know, hands down. She helps me find setups sometimes. Usually when I'm back home with my family, she comes and helps me out with trading. She picks, you know, if we should go up or down. She gives me a little indicator. I'm like, all right, bet. And then I win the trade every single time. So introducing the best trader in the world and the best girl in the world. Hi. Oh my God, you are the cutest thing of all time. Introducing Emmy. New character unlocked. Best trader in the world. Shout out Emmy. Nah, but for real though, I alerted my Discord to get into some Tesla calls for 2 weeks out. I like doing these longer swings nowadays, simply because swings are how you get paid, like the big bucks. I told my Discord to enter Tesla 365 calls right here. I'm already 10% up, so I'm $258 up. It's expiring the 23rd of May, and it's literally the 13th right now. So we got 10 days for this shit to pump. We're gonna make some money off of it. Yeah, I like swings, bro. Like swings lately has been the move. Like day trading options is great, but like I'm starting to realize like swings where the money pays. My strategy works so well with options day trading. It's just the Greeks and the not filling is really pissing me off. I'd like to get into futures more, but options is so good and my strategy is so dang good. I'm successful anyway. We're definitely gonna be diving into futures a lot more. So if there's anyone watching this that trades futures, not options, don't worry. I literally have, shout out KB. I have a futures analyst inside of my Discord. He's the GOAT, like he wins a lot, man, and just like me. So he uses the same 3C strategy too. So we're gonna see how those pump. Obviously we got the SPY calls going too. And looks like we're gonna be making some money. What up, y'all? It's about, actually just struck midnight. I'm making steak right now, me and my dog. Hey, baby. Yeah, she's hungry, let me tell you. I'm gonna take her on a walk, but what I wanted to let you guys know is that Tesla is up 10 big ones. We're up $10 already on Tesla. Looking like I'm gonna wake up to some bread in the morning. I already ate my steak, but this is for my dog. Every time I win a trade, I gotta eat steak. We always have saying in our Discord, it's steaks for dinner when we win. I already downed my ribeye, but I'm making some for my dog. She deserves some too. This is the life. It's midnight. I already know my trades are gonna go well tomorrow, God willing. Making some steak for myself and my beautiful dog. Tomorrow, I'm gonna stream with the Inner Circle. Then I'm gonna go to the beach with my boys. Some of them are down from college, so I'm gonna hit that. And then, yeah, I'm gonna do some more work. We've been going crazy this week. Steaks for dinner every single night because we've been winning. Shout out to my Inner Circle. They all know that. They're all eating steak too. But yeah, man, the most important thing is like I can make a steak at midnight when I want because I don't have a 9 to 5 to be at in the morning. I could, you know, wake up when I want, do whatever I want in the morning before the market opens, get on stream for 30 minutes, take a trade, win it, and then I'm good. Obviously, I have business calls and entrepreneur type things. I got to post on Instagram, YouTube, stuff like that. But this is what I set out to do in my life. I didn't want to be a regular dude. I didn't want to go to a 9 to 5, be a regular rat race, to be honest. I didn't want to be in the rat race. And once I figured that out, I was like, okay, I need to lock in. I need to lock in because there's no way I'm gonna be like that. There's no way I wanna be like that. There's no way I'm gonna let myself be like that. And I've always been, you know, an outsider kind of kid. I haven't been really, you know, I don't blend in because I just don't feel like I wanna be like everybody else. My biggest fear is being average and I'm just not gonna let that happen. I'll see you guys in the morning when we take a dub. Peace out. All right, fellas, this is how we're looking on our Tesla swing right now. Holy shit. And we still have another week and a half. I'm up 42% on one of my SPY calls. On the one I gave to my Inner Circle, I'm unfortunately down 20% right now. But hey, we still have time. We're good. So I'm gonna let that run and we'll see. But hey, I'm already up $1,000 today without even trading. I didn't trade AM session. I live streamed it. I just, you know, when I don't trade in my live stream, I like to do like trivia or like, you know, just talk to my chat and teach them because I'm not only just a call out bot, you know? I like to teach my students, and even on days where I don't trade, I like to do trivia, some fun games, so we're just engaged in learning. I might go to the beach today with my boys, and I might literally do PM session over there. If I win a trade at the beach, that would be absolutely sick, and that's what I'm planning to do. So I'll see you guys there. Driving on the highway right now, got my dog here, and I looked at my phone, and I checked the Tesla call. Yeah, so I'm up $3,210. And it's 11 a.m. I love trading.
Que me habrá echado esa chica que me tiene arrebatado, que me tiene medio loco, que ya estoy enamorado. Quizás serán sus ojitos, o tal vez su caminado, o quizás esas cositas que en su casa ella me ha dado.
All right, so I'm pulling up to the beach. I'm about to just get a nice tan, hang with my boys, and if I find anything for PM session on the charts, I'm gonna be checking it every once in a while. I'm gonna rip some trades, send them to the Discord, and keep making money while I'm sitting on the beach. So this is the life, but hey, I worked for this, so. Alright boys, we are at the beach club right now. Up about $2 grand on the day. Just chilling. Gotta go in the water with the boys. This is the life. Best trader. They call me Tom Brady too. Yeah, call me Pat Mahomes. Alright, so we just left the beach. Had a great day this morning trading. Didn't take any trades on live stream, but we swung some trades overnight. Obviously, like I said, up a couple thousand on Tesla. I'm gonna keep the SPY swing going overnight until tomorrow. It expires tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. But with the Tesla swing, I'm gonna keep it for the next week because I think Tesla is going to print. I'm already printing it. I'm over 100% on it. I trimmed down on a couple of my contracts just to take the risk off, but I think I might have my biggest day next week once I close this trade on Tesla because it'll probably be 5,000 plus. So super blessed, and yeah, we just got done with the beach. We're about to go grill out and have a good day. All right, fellas, that is gonna conclude the week in the life as Dukes. Nothing too crazy, didn't do anything out of the ordinary. It just goes to show you that you don't have to be a Miami guru going on yachts and going to the club every night, you know, driving Lamborghinis and all that to be successful. You really don't. And I'm here to show you the real, that's why I started this YouTube. That's why I started all of this, to be honest. I want to be the real guru, not even guru, the real mentor, the real teacher that just shows you how to be successful at trading and how to have a happy life. Keep God in your life, stay blessed. I'm gonna go enjoy the night with my boys, enjoy the weekend, enjoy the profits I made this week. Made about $5,000 this week trading. So yeah, guys, without further ado, I will see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace out.
Oye, chapa ya, chica, déjame